Tactics are now being exposed. I feel that for some of you, someone had a way whereby they were able to manipulate the masses, manipulate you in some cases, unfortunately. And you were aware of this. And many people may have tried to warn you about this person's controlling behavior. But on the surface, it may have appeared as though this person was having your best interests at heart. Some of you didn't want to see the truth about this individual. Now, for some of you, this could be a masculine that was doing this. Or for others of you, I feel like you are the masculine and this was happening to you. Whether or not you see yourself in a masculine or feminine energy, right? But I feel that you turned a blind eye to this person's motives. You wanted to see the best in this individual. Now, this person may have showed up at a time of your life whereby they were giving you their best. They were giving you comfort, advice, they were a shoulder to cry on, all the rest of it, right? And for some of you, this could have been a best friend. And they were very jealous of you. They were manipulating you. They were trying to keep you stuck, trying to prevent your growth. They were doing the most. And everyone around you could see something wasn't quite right about this person. And maybe for some of you, you felt sorry for this individual because maybe for some of you, this person was going through a very turbulent time. They were going through a divorce, or you worked with this individual, you saw them every day. So you just assumed that, they were going through it and you needed to offer your support. Or for some of you, you didn't want to hear what other people had to say. You were very focused on what you saw in the here and now. And what this person presented to you was someone that was very kind, jovial, someone that had good morals, someone that was wanting the best for you. This is the energy that it's like a very warm and nurturing and giving type of energy. So you couldn't see, and I can understand, because with this energy right now I'm picking up, I can see why you were manipulated, right? But underneath the facade, this person was in the energies of fixation on you and your energy, wanting to control you, wanting to dictate who and what you have in your life, wanting to be the only one in your life. I feel like, unbeknownst to you, you gave this person a little bit too much of your attention. This person wasn't very used to the type of attention that you gave to them, because you're a nice person. You treat everyone the way that you want to be treated. You may have that saying of see no evil, hear no evil. But evil was around you and you were unaware of it. And I feel for some of you, this person may have gotten in between a romantic partnership that you were either cultivating with someone or you were in. Some of you could have been married and this person was the cause of the breakdown of your marriage. This individual, they managed to introduce distractions into your life. Maybe some of you worked with this individual, so they were always trying to make out that you should spend more time at work. They honed in onto your likes and they knew that you loved your job, and they manipulatively conspired behind the scenes for you to move away from home, move away from your family, your spouse, your children. For some of you, you may have lost a lot of money due to your dealings with this individual. This person had a way whereby they would let you maybe spend on them or waste money And other people could see that this person was draining your life force. Other people could see that it was more of a hindrance that this person was in your life as opposed to being a benefit. Some people just took a step back. They didn't want to get involved because they could see how wrapped up you were both together. They didn't want to intervene because then they will be seen as a troublemaker. And this is the way this person wanted it to be. They wanted to ice everyone out and they wanted you to rely on them. They didn't want you to go into a new beginning. Some of you may have mentioned that you want to start a family with your spouse and they hated that. They made sure that they were able to interject in your life so that that wouldn't happen. For some of you, I feel like this individual made sure that your marriage broke down. Some of you missed out on an opportunity of maybe proposing to your partner, you know, or if you were engaged to someone, this partnership broke down, you broke up with that person. And guess why? Because this person was the dominating force behind the scenes, draining you of your life force to the point whereby you were spending all your time with them. So when you went to see your partner, you had nothing to give, nothing to say, because you gave everything to this person and you shared all your time with this person. You spoke about everything to this person to the point whereby when you were connecting with your partner, there was nothing to talk about. You were drained, you were tired. This is what this person wanted. They didn't want you to have a happy family life. This person was manipulating you, and this manipulation is being exposed. You know, people are going to start talking now. And some of you are paying attention to what is being said. Some of you are realizing, and other people are realizing, that this person is very territorial of your energy. It's not normal. This person acts as if they're innocent and they're not. This person has come into your life to destroy it in some way for their own gains. They want you to invest in them. For some of you, they have romantic feelings for you, even if you are of the same gender. For some of you, this person doesn't know why they're operating in this way. They appear as though they have your best interests at heart, and you may meet this person up in groups or at work or in the neighborhood. And Spirit is putting this to an end. Something may occur before Taurus season. Your Spirit is fed up of this individual, and so are other people. This person has been getting away with this manipulation for too long. And one of the ways in which they were able to maneuver themselves in your life was maybe through work. Maybe you have the same interest. Maybe this person deters you away from your work. Maybe you're interested in art, self-expression, and this person downplayed it, or they blocked it in some way. And you may have felt like this individual was a person that was like a mother figure. You know, you may have felt like you came into this person's life to learn something. They were teaching you something, and they manipulated you in this way because they saw a wound within you, a mother wound. And now you are going to start releasing. Some of you have released this connection because you realize that it's toxic. Others of you are urged to release this connection. And if you are releasing this connection, this person is finding it extremely painful. People see this person as someone that is highly manipulative. I'm hearing the word a joke. I'm also hearing delusional, because people could see that it was one-sided. People could see the control that this person had over you without you realizing it. People feel like this person's weird as well. You know, people could sense that something was off about this person's energy. Some of you sense that this person's energy was off a little bit, but again, you may have felt sorry for this individual. You felt like, no, I have to learn from this person. There's something that this person has to teach me, when in actual fact, this person was called for some of you to learn from you. And even if it is the case that you had to learn from this individual, they manipulated the whole situation to their own benefit and to your detriment. You lost out on a lot of opportunities from this person, and Spirit doesn't want you to lose out on any more. Spirit wants you to go towards your passions and your goals. And through this release, through this ending that is occurring or that will occur, you're going to see that your life is so much brighter. You're going to go towards people, places and things that were stopped and blocked from you due to this person. This person's going to feel isolated. But this is what they did to you, remember? They isolated you from others. They isolated you from accessing your power, from your evolution, from going towards people, places and things that you wanted to go towards. You're only realizing it now, for some of you, since you detached away from this person. And a lot of people are going to be gossiping about this person. I feel like people gossip about this person anyway. People gossip about the fact that this person is delusional, that they are obsessed with you. Excuse me. And again, this person thought that what they were doing was hidden underneath the radar. But it's going to be exposed, especially when Aries goes into, well, Neptune goes into Aries on the 26th of January. Okay? Next year is the number 1 year. Whatever fog that this person had, whatever illusions that they casted over you and others, because they casted an illusion over you to make other people feel as if you are off limits, you belong to them. I know it sounds ridiculous, but this is what they did, because they were able to manipulate the fact that you weren't grounded, that you weren't seeing them for who they really were. And they used this energy of you believing that they were your savior in some way or the other, that they were your teacher, they were showing up as a mother figure to you. And what do mothers do? They normally nurture, they care for, and they love, right? They were presenting that energy to you. That's what you were seeing, but other people could see otherwise. Other people could see this person's control, their dominance over you. And now you are waking up. You're going to take off those rose-colored glasses that this person casted over you. And you're going to banish this person from your energy for good. And this person's going to be left in a state of sadness, pining over the good old days. But it was one-sided good old days, because they were benefiting from the connection. And the connection was built on a lie. So you can see the state of this person's mentality, you know, saddened over something that wasn't even real, was all in their own mind. And they projected this energy onto you. And unfortunately, you fell into the trap and you lived out this person's fantasy, unbeknownst to you. But that's how the situation was projected onto others. And some of you have realized this and you are disgusted by this. And that's why you have taken action. Others of you are urged to take action. Do not bring this person into the new year. Create distance, create a release, create an ending. People know that this was one-sided. But the more you interacted with this person, people became a little bit confused after a while. You know, you may hear that people have spoken about this person, and you may have felt like this person was respected, but this person is not respected. Someone that tries to force a connection onto another person when the other person doesn't view them in a certain way. Someone that overrides boundaries is not really respected. And you may hear that people don't think too highly of this individual. It's going to come as a shock to you, but for some of you, you're going to start seeing this person in the same way that other people see this person. Some people may come out of the woodwork and say that they've experienced similar behavior patterns from this person, or they saw this, they saw that, this didn't sit well with them, and you're going to start to trace back to certain scenarios with this person and see other people's frame of reference. And Spirit is urging you to put a stop to it so that this person doesn't do it anymore to yourself or to other people. This person needs to have boundaries, and they need to abide by these boundaries. So don't worry if, for some of you, this is happening to someone that is dear to you. This is going to come to an end. You will hear about it. You will witness it. You will feel... Some of you may feel pity for this person. Some of you may feel like this person has got what they deserved because their behavior may have affected you. They wanted to create endings in your life. And what they wanted for you, whether or not you are the person that was manipulated or you were affected by this person's manipulation because they were targeting someone that you love, the jail that they plan for you is the one that they're going to rot in. They're going to be engulfed with their emotions of grief and confusion, the same confusion that they try to project onto the person that you're connected to or yourself. They're going to be trapped in those emotions, and they're going to have to work through those emotions and work through why they stoop to underhanded means to try and steer someone off their path, a path that they do not belong in. And they're going to have to witness you or the person that you are connected with live out their passions and goals. They're going to be left feeling isolated, abandoned and alone. What they wanted for you, what they did to some of you, but it's going to be their reality.